Hi there! In this video, we'll be taking a look at this K&F Concept 3-pack LP-E17 battery, which comes with a charger that can charge 3 batteries at once. Here's a look at the box. Now, let's open it. Right on top, we've got some documentation. Then we've got the charging cable and the 3 batteries and the charger. Now, here's everything in detail. We've got the documents. A lot of words. Not really worth reading. Here is the charging cable. It's a Type-C cable. I'm glad. Type-C everything, please. Now here is the battery itself. It has some weight to it. Feels substantial. And finally, the charger. It has a screen and slots to charge all 3 batteries all at once. And on the side, the Type-C port to plug the cable in. Now I'm just going to put all the batteries in. Make sure they're pressed in firmly. Now I'm going to connect the USB-C cable and power it on. And ta-da! It's charging all 3 batteries at once. And it even has indicators letting me know the battery levels. Overall, worth it, and I am very impressed. Here's my Canon R100. I'll be testing the battery on this camera. I'm gonna pop out my original LP-E17 and put in the K&F Concept, and it works! It even shows the battery level. Sometimes I heard the battery indicator doesn't work on some of the cameras, but it seems to work on this R100 on power up. I'm glad. Now here I'll be testing if the charger can charge my original LP-E17 battery. Let me just pop it in, and right away, it begins charging. Overall, this 3-pack battery and charger was worth it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!